All right, so let's apply a little bit with this problem. It says you scored a 99, a 67, an 83, and an 86 on your last 4 science tests. If your next test is going to count twice, so that's going to be very important that it's going to count twice, is it possible to get an average of 90%? Okay, so if we're talking about average, so average means we're going to add up all of our values and divide by how many we have. So if we start that, we know that we had initially 4 tests that were 99, a 67, an 83, and an 87. Now, that 5th test, the thing about the 5th test, though, is we don't know what it is, and it counted twice. So the way to do that is we're going to count x twice. So because x is the unknown value, because we're going to set up an equation here, the x is the unknown value, and it counted twice. Now, how many tests do we have total? Well, we had 5, but the 5th one counted twice, so this is a total of 6. And we want to know, can we get an average of 90? Is that possible? So we're going to add up the values that we know. So we're going to add up 99, 67, 83, and 87. So we have 99, 67, 83, and 87. That gives me a total of 336. So we have 336 plus, so x and x is going to make 2x divided by 6 equals 90. So we're going to solve this equation and see if it's possible to get a 90 with that test grade. So I'm going to multiply by 6. Okay, so that's going to give me 336 plus 2x, and that's going to equal 540. Then we're going to subtract 336. So we now have 2x, and we have 540 minus 336. So we have 540 minus 336, if I could get that. And that's going to give me 204. All right, and then finally we're going to divide by 2. So we're solving this equation. So my test grade, my 5th test grade, would have to be at least 102 in order to get a 90. So unless there's extra credit, which it doesn't say that, it is impossible to get the 90 because you can't have over 100%. So it is impossible to get that average of a 90.